Hello everybody and welcome back to the Metal Scrapper channel. So today a fairly simple video. I'm going to melt some copper, make some bars and some cubes again. Okay, so let's start up the furnace and melt some copper. So we did the last pour, and it's not a completely filled cube, but we'll see how it came out, if we were going to keep it or remelt this one day. Thing still looks pretty decent. Let's quench all the ingots. I think this will be hot water. I'll be back with some cold water. So, back with some cold water. Let's see what we made. And after that I will give them a wire brush, of course, and weigh them up, stamp them, put them in the safe. So 2 big ingots. These weigh around 900 grams. 2 finger bars, I think around 300 grams each. 2 cubes of around 500 grams each. Oops. And a leftover. So I'll clean all this stuff up, show the end results. I think we have well over 3.5 kilos of copper here. Awesome. Alright, so finished cleaning the bars, stamp them with the weight and the element letters. Did not. Yeah, and the rooster wants to get out of the coop, I guess, but there's still a hot oven over there. I did not clean this ingot, because yeah, I don't think the top is very pretty. So I'll remelt this in a future project. So let's see. How much did we melt today? First, the big ingots came out pretty nice. Oh yeah, that rooster really needs to get out. We've got one of 900 grams. I stamped it with 899, but that's okay. The other one, 911 grams. Then we have 2 finger bars. Also came out pretty decent. Let's see, 287 grams, 264 grams. And now the 2 cubes. Really awesome stuff this. Right, 583 grams, 567 grams. So the total melt of today will be, well, this will be the total we'll be putting in the safe. 3,500 and... Oh man, that rooster. 3,508 grams, and the total melt of today will be 3,934 grams. So almost 4 kilos. Like I said, I will not put this one in the safe. Say a little crater on top. So real melt this another time. Make a proper cube of it, or maybe in bar. I don't know yet. So yeah, let's put this stuff in the safe, and then we're going to get the furnace out of the way so the chickens can get outside. This is really annoying. Right, so yeah, let's put them in the safe, and then I'll be back with some end shots. All right, back at the safe. Let's get those ingots in. So, added another piece of copper to the stack. Total stack weight will be in the screen right now. And this was it. Hope you guys like this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to see a melting video every week. And thank you a lot for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.